Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Matt with Enliven Wellness. We're here with another Enliven Wellness Wednesday. Today we want to talk about foam rolling. So if you don't know what a foam roller is, it's literally just basically a roll of foam. Should be a little bit cushy, but relatively firm actually. And what we use these for is actually to stretch and loosen up muscles, specifically the muscle belly. By doing that, we help essentially knead it like dough, more or less, to get more blood flow and oxygenation into the muscle to kind of complement stretching. Really good to do before and after your physical activities, whether that be walking, mowing the grass, playing golf, anything like that. But they're relatively easy to pick up, but if you want to get one and have any questions about how to use it, feel free to come on by and we'll be happy to teach you how to use it for any of your different ailments or different ways to help prevent any injuries or dysfunctions.